Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Next Weather, Chip meteorologist and hurricane specialist Ivan Cabrera joins us now, and August is making July feel like it was cooler.
It's true. Like we're stuck in July still. I mean, I'll show you the numbers here, but absolutely, it's been in the mid-90s. It still feels like at this hour at 104. So what can help us this time of year? Showers and thunderstorms, where are they? Well, we've had a few, particularly across northwestern Broward County, but you can see the bay here, quiet conditions. That's going to be the issue the next few days. Got some dry air up above, and when you do that, well, you do a couple of things. You reduce the rain chances and heat things up as a result. 95 was a high temperature today, a couple of degrees shy of the record high. We'll be talking about near record to tying and breaking records this week. And also, of course, the heat advisories are going to continue day in and day out, because I'm not expecting things to change anytime soon until we get to the weekend. And we'll talk about that in a second. But there you see so far already picking up where we left off back in July. Hottest July on record in Miami. And now we're in the mid-90s throughout the last 7 days. Too early to call what this August is going to do, but I don't like the rest of the week. We're going to fill these in each and every day, likely with red boxes there. So 88 in Fort Lauderdale, that's the cool spot, because you've had some not so much rainfall, but cloud cover as a result of the thunderstorms that built just to the west of the airport here. In fact, out towards Coral Springs and into Tamarack, got hit with some pretty good rainfall. So we're not shutting down rain chances, but we're going to diminish them big time here. And this cell eventually moved out, not before it dumped a good 1 to 2 inches. And so we had a flood advisory, which as the last couple of minutes or so has been canceled by the National Weather Service. So that street flooding should be well under control. A couple little cells just to the west of Weston there, and we'll watch on Rain Tracker a few showers trying to make a comeback here, but it's going to be hard to do so. And you see them, most of them staying across inland areas. I think that's going to be the case for us as we head in through tomorrow as well. 93 current temperature there in Marathon, another record tied. 110 is what it feels like, and 104 still in Miami, because we haven't cooled off with any thunderstorms here. Keys again for tomorrow into the 108 to 112 range, and 105 to 110. That's enough for that heat advisory in Miami-Dade and up into Broward as well. So the dry air is really going to make its presence known. We'll have inland thunderstorms tomorrow, probably the highest rain chance we'll have this week at 40%. Dry air really takes over. It turns hot Wednesday through Friday, and then hopefully we'll get some moisture back in here. I know we don't like that for the weekend. It wouldn't be a washout per se, but we would have some much higher rain chances if that wave does come in our direction. For now, pretty quiet here through Tuesday. It's all about the heat. Inland thunderstorms there developing. You see that with a strong southeast wind. That'll push everything towards the other side of the peninsula, and that'll continue as we head through Wednesday as well, with more showers and storms in limited fashion through the remainder of the day. All right, tracking the tropics, pretty quiet out in the next 7 days. We're looking good here. We do have a few tropical waves you were watching last week. A lot of dry air out there, so these waves have just fizzled out. I'm expecting that to happen with the next few that come off the continent there, so nothing to worry about in the tropics. It's the heat that we have to talk about for tomorrow. Rain chances still at 40%, but as I mentioned, the highest of the next few days, look at this, dropping down to 30 and 20, and as that happens, temperatures go in the other direction before hopefully we get that cooling shower and thunderstorm trend once again as we head into following weekend.